Got the daily driver fixed. Pulled apart that door, fixed the vent window, but as you can see, it's still not in there. The door still doesn't quite fit right. Let's get into this one.
Okay, so what I did with the seat was this part right here was just touching the doors. So let me show you how I kind of corrected that here, and now it shuts perfect, like it doesn't interfere at all. It has just like a little bit of a, I knocked off about 2 inches of the foam, and then I just put it all back together. So yeah, so this is how I did that.
So if anyone's curious about the vent window locks, it actually has like a little piece of spring, like a little dowel pin right there. So you have to knock it out from that side and bring it out.
So there it is. Works perfectly. And there we go. So the tool that I used, it's not really made for this kind of stuff. Kind of like a blind riveter. But I took I can't find it. But the tool that comes, the punch that comes with the rivet set, I kind of cut it down so the mushroom end would fit inside here. And then when I squeezed it down, it just closed it up and it locks into place. But that's the part number. Yeah, it's just like a riveter. So now let's see if we can open up the hinges and see if we can get this back on the truck and opening and shutting, because yesterday was basically finishing up my daily driver. And actually I'm still waiting for a set of cooling fans to come in. It was supposed to be here today, but it says, oops, something went wrong. So I'm hoping it'll still be here today. But if it is here today, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna jump on that. So let's see about this door. Well, good news and decent news. After all that, the door shuts better. It still has a drop in the door, probably about, I would say, a little over 3/16 of an inch. The gap is good all the way around it. The door does stick out about 1/4 of an inch down towards the bottom of the door right there. And of course the seal started coming off because I was over there holding the door and lifting it up, and so I have to re-glue that seal back down in. But the door shuts great, and it's making a positive seal all the way around the door. I don't know if the door got tweaked prior to me getting it. I mean, that whole door was dropped 2 inches and didn't even shut. They actually had wire holding it shut, you know, keep the door from flying open, that kind of deal. But yeah, I'll show you. So, and right now I don't have any of a drop. There's no drop in the door at all. I rebuilt the bottom hinge. I think maybe the top hinge is a little tweaked a little bit, just a little bit like that. Am I good with it? I'll live with it. Yeah, without having to split the whole cab in the back there, bring it out to make up that little bit of a gap from the door, or the body door, from the door being flush with the cab. For me, these weren't perfect, so, but I'll take it with how it shuts. I mean, it shuts great. Yeah, so I did get the daily all fixed. I hope. We'll see tomorrow on my way to work. But that's going to be it for this one. I did show you how to replace the vent window piece.
I still have to put all the glass back in this one. I'm not going to do that today. I'm calling it quits for the day. My mind wasn't really on this. It was more on trying to get the daily fixed. So this was just trying to get something for some content to show you guys that I'm still working on the truck despite having to do other things. I did make an appointment for the windshield to be put in. The earliest this guy has is in 2 weeks. He specializes in old glass. So meaning how, like rope in, seal, and everything like that. So I set that appointment up. That'll be 2 weeks ago, or 2 weeks from now is when he has availability to actually come to my shop and put it in. So that's it for this one. Hit like, share, subscribe, all that other fun stuff to tell you, and go out there and build something cool. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.